Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Hyundai Elantra's high-mounted brake light. First, ensure your vehicle is completely off and parked safely. Gather your tools, like a Phillips head screwdriver and a new replacement bulb. You'll also want a small flathead screwdriver for prying. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and quicker. This simple repair can be done right at home with minimal effort. Now, open your trunk to gain access to the light housing from the inside. You might need to gently remove some interior trim panels to expose the brake light assembly. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry off any plastic clips or covers. Once the trim is out of the way, you'll see the screws or fasteners holding the entire light assembly in place. Unscrew these carefully to prepare for removal. With the assembly loose, gently pull it away from the vehicle body. You'll then see the bulb socket. Twist the socket counterclockwise to remove it from the housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Push the new bulb firmly into the socket, then twist the socket back into the housing clockwise. Test the light before proceeding. After confirming the new bulb works, carefully push the light assembly back into its position. Reinstall all the screws or fasteners you removed earlier, ensuring they are snug but not over-tightened. Replace any interior trim panels, making sure all clips snap back into place securely. Close your trunk and have someone press the brake pedal to confirm the high-mounted brake light illuminates correctly. This ensures your vehicle is safe and compliant. Also, check out the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.